This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Mini Cooper clutch step by step. Park on level ground, disconnect the battery, and gather tools: jack, stands, socket set, torque wrench, clutch alignment tool. Lift the car safely, remove the transmission, inspect the flywheel and pilot bearing, replace clutch disc and pressure plate, and resurface or replace the flywheel if needed. Reinstall transmission, torque bolts to spec, reconnect all components, and test clutch engagement before driving. Set up a clean, well-lit workspace and organize parts into trays to avoid confusion. Label electrical connectors and hoses with tape to speed reassembly and prevent mistakes. Confirm you have specific tools like clutch alignment tool and torque wrench, and review the service manual for torque specs. Take clear photos during disassembly for reference and measure clutch and flywheel, where to determine if resurfacing or replacement is necessary before reassembly. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car repair guides. Quick recommendation: Books Read Anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite makes downtime reading during long repairs easy and enjoyable. I use it between steps to consult manuals or relax with a quick chapter. Check the description for the link and other deals before continuing. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by supporting the engine before removing transmission mounts to prevent engine drop. Unbolt the transmission, slide it back carefully, and support it with a transmission jack. Remove old clutch components, clean mounting surfaces thoroughly, and inspect pilot bearing and release bearing for wear. Replace the clutch disc and pressure plate using the alignment tool, then properly torque bolts in a star pattern to the specified values in the manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.